Hi friends, welcome to my channel Vista Learning. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. After subscribing my channel, press the bell icon to get further updates of my videos.
Hi friends, today let's learn noun cases. We have already seen that there are three things in noun. First, the gender, masculine, feminine, neuter and common gender. Now when it comes to number, we have singular and plural. Now we need to see also the agreement of the subject with the verb when we talk about the number. That we shall see at a later stage. But today let's concentrate on noun cases. There are 5 cases in English grammar. They are the nominative case, the objective case, the dative case, possessive case, and finally the vocative case. Nominative case. When the noun in a sentence is used as the subject of a sentence, that noun is said to be in nominative case, because the case of a noun tells us about the noun when it is used in different cases. For example, Saurav is a clever man. Here the noun Saurav is used as the subject in this sentence, and therefore Saurav, the subject, is said to be in the nominative case. Now the next case, objective case. Objective case is also known as accusative case. When the noun in a sentence is used as the direct object in a sentence, that direct object, the noun, is said to be in the objective case. Now let us come with an example. Ram gives him a ball. What is the direct object in this sentence? What does Ram give? Ram gives a ball. The other day we have seen that the answer to the question what is always the direct object in the sentence, and therefore a ball is the direct object of this sentence, and when this direct object, which is also the noun in this sentence, is used, it is the objective case. It is said to be in the objective case. We have next dative case. Dative case. When the noun in a sentence is used as the indirect object in a sentence, and that is said to be the dative case. Here in this same example, Ram gives whom? Ram gives him, and therefore this pronoun is said to be in the dative case. Now we have the possessive case. Possessive case is used to denote the possession or the belonging. Now, example is, this is my pen. This is my pen. Whose pen? My pen. Or, in other words, we say, this pen belongs to me. It shows the ownership. And therefore, this pronoun, which is here, my, is used in what case? In possessive case. So, this is possessive case. And finally, we have the vocative case. Vocative case. When the noun is used to call a person, it is said to be in the vocative case. For example, Ram, be careful. Ram, be careful. I call Ram to tell him to be careful. Therefore, it is written, Ram, be careful. The word Ram, which is the noun here, is used as vocative case. Another example, Mr. President, people wait to meet you outside. Mr. President is the vocative case there. Now, apart from these 5 cases, there is one more case we find in Latin language, and very often we use that case also here in English, and that is called ablative case. Ablative case. Ablative case is used in English grammar to express the instrumentality. Ram killed a snake with a stick. Let me write here. Ram killed a snake with a stick. So, this is used to show the instrumentality. With what did Ram kill the snake? With a stick. So, Ram killed a snake with a stick. That is to indicate or to express the instrumentality. So, this is in Latin language called as the ablative case. So, we have 5 cases plus this case, ablative case. Thank you.